Here's how to add a progress bar in Notion. You'll build it inside a database so the bar redraws itself whenever the numbers change. Type /table on your page and choose table. A new database drops in, and the cursor is sitting in that first cell. Type website copy, press enter, then add design mockup and email setup below it. That first column is the item you're tracking. Move to the far right of the table header, past the first column, and click the plus button. Choose number from the property list. Name it done, exactly like that, because the formula is about to look for that exact name. Click plus again, choose number again, and name it target. Notion formulas are case sensitive, so don't use a lowercase t. I leave the number format set to plain number because % formatting here would interfere with the math. If you already have a database, skip the table creation and just add these same property columns. Click plus a third time and choose formula. Type progress, hit enter, and the formula editor opens. The left side shows done and target as properties. If they don't appear, stop and fix the names before you go further. Start the formula with if, open parentheses. Set the condition to target equals 0. That's the guard against the divide by 0 error you'd otherwise get on empty rows. Type comma, open quotes, set a target, close quotes, comma. That temporary text shows until real numbers exist. Now build the actual bar. Type concat, open parentheses, then slice, open parentheses. Inside the first pair of quotes, put 10 filled block characters, then comma, 0, comma, round, open parentheses. Click the done property in the left list. Type /target times 10. Close the round and close the slice. That gives you the filled portion of the bar. Type comma, then add a second slice with 10 empty block characters, comma, 0, comma, 10 minus that same rounded value. Close that slice. Type comma, open quotes, space, close quotes, comma, format, open parentheses, round, open parentheses, done divided by target times 100, close both, comma, %, close concat, and close if. Notion colorizes the function names as you type so you can see if, slice, concat, round, and format light up. If Notion underlines part of the formula in red, it's almost always a missing comma or an unmatched parentheses. Click Done in the formula editor. Every row now says set a target because target is still empty. That's normal. Click the Done cell for website copy, type 2, press Tab, type 4 in target, and hit Enter. The progress cell flips to a half-filled bar and 50%. Second row, Done 1, target 5. The bar shows 20%. Third row, set target to 3 first, then done to 0. I type target first so the row doesn't sit there looking like a broken formula. That row stays empty at 0%. If any row still says set a target after you've entered both numbers, open the formula and check the property names again. Go back to the first row and change done from 2 to 3. The moment you press enter, the bar jumps to 75%. That's the point. You never edit the progress field by hand. You update the two number columns and the formula redraws the bar. Once the table works, click the plus sign next to table at the top left and choose board. You'll see the same rows as cards with the progress bar directly under each card title. That's the quick way to drop this into a project dashboard. If you want a finer bar, open the progress formula and change every 10 to 20, including the two string lengths and the multiplication inside round. I keep mine at 10 because a 10-segment bar reads better at a glance. If you only need the number and not the visual, remove the two slice sections and leave the formatted percentage. If this got your progress bar working, give the video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.